to Cheap Joe's. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about the elements of art. This is another section in our 4-part series where we're discussing the 8 different elements of art, which are line, pattern, shape, space, form, color, value, and texture. And in this video, we're going to be focusing on 3 elements: shape, space, and form. What we were talking about in the other videos, and what we're talking about here, actually, looking at your artwork in kind of almost like a reductive method where you're focusing on just one or a couple of the elements of art. And what I'm encouraging you to do is take a subject matter and look at it through the lens of just a couple of the elements. This one, for instance, is the same cherry blossoms that we've been talking about before, but looking at them in terms of shape, space, and form. And so if we're doing a reductive thing where we're paring it down to just raw shape, look at your positive shapes, your negative shapes in here, how those shapes interact with the edges to create new shapes. So not only the shapes of the subject, but the shapes of the things that aren't the subject, and all of that kind of thing. Also look at the form in total. How does that total shape interact with the shape of the space that you're using? Make sure that you look at a couple of these elements of art and see if they can maybe change the way that you're interpreting and interacting with your subjects and creating your art. And we hope that you will enjoy.